Hello friends, get ready for general dictation. Okay, start. Whether the establishment and expansion of the public sector is the only explanation for the increase in budget expenditure and increase in national debt. It is very difficult to give any opinion offhand in this matter. But if one were to reply on the findings of the Planning Commission and the sentiment which is often expressed by the government spokesmen themselves, then one might say that there is considerable increase in the non-developmental expenditure of the government. It is that part of the increase which is really a matter of concern both to the country as well as to this house para. Now, sir, the government has by implication accepted the proposition that non-plan expenditure is increasing and that there is need for economy all around. Various committees have been appointed to which my honorable friend has made reference in order to find out whether non-developmental expenditure could be reduced to a reasonable size. Unfortunately, in spite of the deliberations of these committees and the efforts that these committees have made to find out how the expenditure could be reduced, very little impressive results seem to have been achieved so far, and it is this aspect of the matter which is creating considerable concern in the country. I would not agree with the two speakers who have just spoken before me that the taxes in this country are abnormally high. We are only taxing 8% of the national income so far, and that is a very modest figure. I know that the burden of this tax is falling on the shoulders which are too weak to bear it, and it is this which is creating dissatisfaction in the country. There is considerable scope for reconsidering the entire tax structure in our country to see that the taxes are so distributed that those who are able to bear the burden thereof are really taxed much more than those who can ill afford to pay these taxes. At the same time, as far as the percentage of national income is concerned, the taxation is not very high and there is scope for further increase. Again, the question is whether this increased taxation is going to be used for the development of the country or for expenditure which does not bring an adequate return in terms of capital formation, in terms of a rapid rise in the economic development, and in terms of raising the standard of living of the pupil. In this connection, it is very natural to note that when there was a strike notice given by the central government employees, the government was not happy. Stop. If you like this dictation, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.